QR code scams, how phishing could cost you big. I know you know phishing, but are you aware of phishing? Phishing is a new form of phishing that uses QR codes to trick people into giving away sensitive information, like passwords or credit card details. Let's break it down in simple terms. Imagine you're at your favorite coffee shop. There's a poster saying, "Scan this QR code for free coffee." You're like, "Free coffee? Yes, please." So you scan the code. Instead of getting coffee, your phone opens a website that says, "Enter your name, email, and credit card details to claim your free coffee." You're thinking, "Well, this seems legit. I mean, who doesn't want my credit card for coffee?" So, you enter your details. But guess what? The website was fake, and instead of free coffee, the only thing brewing is trouble for your bank account. Here's another one. Picture this, you're at Diljit's or Coldplay's concert. Someone sneaks in a QR code sticker on the bathroom wall saying, "Scan to win backstage passes." Backstage with the band? OMG, let's go. You scan it, and boom, it downloads a virus onto your phone. Now, the only backstage you're getting is a backstage pass to hackers stealing your data. Lesson: not all QR codes lead to free coffee or concert fun. Some lead to hackers who are just as sneaky as someone who forgets their turn in a group bill split. The fake website might look just like a real one, like your bank or a famous brand. It asks you to log in or enter your personal information. Once you do, the attackers capture that information and can misuse it. QR codes are everywhere. QR codes are so common now, in restaurants, shops, and public spaces, that we trust them without thinking twice. Cybercriminals take advantage of this trust. Easy to create, hard to detect, a fake QR code can be printed on stickers and pasted over real ones, making it almost impossible for people to know it's fake. Global problem: since QR codes are used worldwide, phishing can target anyone, anywhere, making it a widespread threat. Targets your phone. Most of us use our smartphones to scan QR codes, so this attack is aimed at a device we rely on every day, increasing the chances of success. Double danger: sometimes, scanning a malicious QR code can also download malware onto your phone, compromising your data without you even knowing. Only scan QR codes from trusted sources. Double check where the QR code is taking you. Look at the website link before entering any information. Use a QR code scanner app that checks the safety of the link. If it's a poster or flyer, ensure it hasn't been tampered with or covered by a sticker. Think of phishing as a digital trap hidden behind something as innocent looking as a QR code. Staying cautious can help you avoid falling for it. Follow me for more such videos and security tips.